In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to your email in Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to have my Yahoo open here. This is my inbox, and I want to add a signature. So all you need is to come over to the settings over here at the top right. You can click on settings, can come to more settings over here, and then you'll be able to come to write mails. Now this is where you can see signature down here, so you can enable it, and then you can paste in whatever you want. You can write if you want to write, and you can be able to see the preview over here, and then you can see this is what I want the signature to be. The content you can have, you can attach things, you can attach links, you can bold things, you can italize, underline things, and even text color you can change to any color. If you want to add play around with the font sizes, and you can have this much control over your signature. And once you have it and this is what you want, you can always get back, and whenever you want to send an email, you'll be able to, once you click on compose, you'll be able to see the email attached over here, and you can just go ahead and type in your message and send to whoever you want to send it to. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.